Determine the intervals of the domain over which the function is continuous. And so here we have our graph. Okay, so let's take a look at the graph. Now remember, we need to first know what continuous means. We'll recall that a function is continuous over an interval of its domain if its hand-drawn graph over that interval can be sketched without lifting the pencil from the paper. So for example, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and trace this graph. So you can see here it's going to start at this point here, and then you never have to lift your pencil, because if you never do that, means it tells you that this is a continuous function and it's got an arrow pointing to the right. So therefore, where is it continuous? Well, you can see here it's continuous over its domain, and remember that the domain represents all the x values. So we're going to correspond this to the x values, and where does it start? It starts at +4, and then it continues with an arrow towards +infinity. So therefore, it is continuous from bracket 4, comma, infinity with a parenthesis. Let's go ahead and put that in there to check our result. So we're going to say the function is continuous from bracket 4, comma, infinity. Let's go ahead and then check our answer, and there is our result.